Like you supply, all our tires. Look, it's a surprise, don't deny us. She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise on me. My little baby go right on me. Maria, Maria, Maria.
Can't you stand and say the story?
And then
just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up, don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy if you want love.
Hi guys, so today is Wednesday and I'm just coming to the store to buy pepper soup ingredients. If you see the rain today is not for small children, so I'm coming to buy pepper soup ingredients. I haven't smoked gari in 3 years, so I want to make pepper soup today, and I'm intending to smoke gari too and granite today. You know, I think that's one of the amazing things about moving back. I haven't had a chance to eat some of these foods, so I'm just so excited to go and buy pepper soup ingredients because this rain needs pepper soup to step it down. So I'm just going to the store. Let's see what they have to offer, and I just hope they have fresh produce because I need fresh, everything fresh. Look at the rain. It's not funny at all, you know. So I'm just packed in the car park and I need to get my big umbrella to combat this rain. So let's go.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure.
This scent leaf is 100 naira. Can you imagine? How organic is this? Amazing. And it's so fresh, so green. Oh, it's moving.
Putting on the pressure, cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for.
So I'm getting some tatashe as well. Oh, we want okra.
For free, oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if
How organic and fresh the okra is. She's going to bend it. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Ooh, okra in the house. I'm not going to be buying antelope today. No, thank you. We've got turkey. Should I get turkey? How much is the turkey?
You buy weight.
Come on, weigh this turkey for me. Let me see how much it is. Look, this is pap. OMG, I haven't had ogi in ages. Beautiful. Look, that is my turkey. Live turkey, by the way. So it's definitely no preservatives and healthier.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du är nya.
2 hours later.
Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som dig. Baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag...
Several days later.
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it,
Daddy. Dry your eyes.
Crying, just water next
Sorry.
to me.
Sorry, is it going into your clothes? You need a different top? Ah, is it water back? Let her finish it. She's saying it's entering her clothes.
Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing.
The hair is not too dirty, so no need to overwash.
Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind. It feels so.
Good. 10. Woo. Other way. Woo. Nice. Face me. Nice. Oh, Farah, you look lovely. I like it for good. You look different. You like it?
I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm
1 hour later.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the
It's okay. Stop crying.
Okay.
Everybody's scared. I don't wonder where you guys got it from.
I'm not even
It's me.
where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love.
What is it first before you're just opening it? So it's what? The PJ Mask, isn't it? So can you tell me their names before you open it?
Catboy, Catboy, Owlet, and Deco.
Okay, so go on, open it then.
The things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. second and the third, then the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing.
7:59 a.m.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not sure how to make this work, but you know that I got you. I just need you by my side. Will you be mine? Can't get away from you, even if I wanted to. I'ma be so good to you. You and I will see this through. Baby, I need you more than you need me, yeah. Feels like we're popping now. Changes, they're stopping now. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave from my side. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. You kill the lies, we come to life. I see the fire in your eyes. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. When you say my name, oh na na.
Or what?
Because you come, you sit down. As you sit down, you get up.
What do you want first?
Is that simple?
Are you sure you're able to manage my plate and your plate? Lord have mercy.
Our plates are so warm.
Anybody got time for this?
Hold it.
Here we go. We don't really want.
Yeah?
You come early.
Oh, I haven't
They don't want beans. Can you camera?
Wow. So much better than food. We all want waffles.
Yeah, you can share one. It's big.
Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright. Oh yeah, I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, and don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, wedding casually, yeah, yeah.